What is it?
These Oreos.
Oh, goodness.
My gracious.
I think you'll like this one.
What?
It's from Mommy and Daddy.
That's pretty.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Do you love that or what? Is it cute? I thought you'd like it. Merry Christmas, baby.
Mommy holds.
Mommy holds.
Mommy keeps the clothes.
I keep the clothes.
Daddy takes the pictures. And look for good pictures.
Where to start with next?
Santa has came.
Santa has came.
Of course he came. He wouldn't give anyone Christmas that the battle.
What are those?
Paper shop.
You should make pathway to your trash bag.
What is it?
New boots with it.
High heel
Let me
boots?
see the boots.
She's gonna be able to walk in high heel
Oh
boots?
my goodness. High heel boots?
You don't even walk in high heel boots now.
Wow. Do you like them? Mm-hmm.
Daddy holds the shoes.
Don't seem so excited.
Because they stink.
Well, that's not nice.
Okay, they don't.
They're brand new leather. Because they stink. So do your feet.
I know. Hey!
A pinch to grow an inch. Phew, they do stink. The weather outside is frightful. You videoing?
I sure am. Well, let's see what it says. It says Snow White. Fairy Tale High. So that's Snow White Jr. or something. Teenager Snow White.
Teenager Snow White?
Mm-hmm. Bless you. You like her? Huh?
Where's Sleeping Beauty?
I don't know.
I know that's Rapunzel. Right?
Mm.
That's Rapunzel. I think that's Sleeping Beauty. What does this say?
Sound it out.
Sleeping Beauty? Did it say Ariel?
know. I sounded out.
I want you to read me. I don't know.
No.